In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove year from date in Google Sheets. By the end, your dates will display just the month and day, while the original year stays safely in the background for sorting and calculations. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps menu. Click that, then choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. From there, open the spreadsheet that contains the dates you want to adjust. If you're working from a template or an existing file, make sure you have editing access. Once your sheet is open, highlight the cells that contain the dates you want to change. You can drag to select a range, or use Shift-click to grab a block of cells. If you have a header row, avoid selecting it so your header doesn't get a date format applied by mistake. Taking a quick moment to select only what you need will keep everything tidy. Now look up to the menu bar and click Format. Hover your mouse over Number to reveal the formatting options, and choose Custom Date and Time. This opens a formatting editor that shows the current pattern your dates are using, typically a combination of month, day, and year, sometimes with punctuation or text in between. Inside this editor, locate the year element in the pattern. Click directly on Year to select it, then click Delete. You'll see the live preview update so you can confirm that only the month and day remain. While you're here, you can also fine-tune how the month and day appear, switch between numeric and written month, choose leading zeros if you prefer, and adjust separators like slashes or dashes. These tweaks don't change your data, only how it's displayed. When the preview looks right, click Apply. Back in your sheet, your selected cells will now show dates without the year, exactly what you wanted. Remember, this is purely a display change. The underlying values still include the year, so sorting, filtering, and formulas that rely on full dates will continue to work correctly. If you ever need the year back, just return to the same custom date and time dialog and add a year element again, or simply undo right after applying. And if a date doesn't seem to change, it's often because the value is stored as text rather than a date. Make sure your entries are recognized as dates so the format can apply properly. That's it. Clean, readable dates without the year, done in a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.